all my dearest KCET champions. I hope all of you are doing absolutely good. So hear me out carefully. This is an important update coming directly from KEA. They had put it in the KEA's Twitter handle. They have also mentioned it in the KEA's website, but they have put it in 2025, which is why I think most of you were not able to see that. Anyways, reading it out for you, and do not be worried if at all you're not able to do option entry, because there's a reason for it. So it says that in the backdrop of undertaking important technical maintenance, infrastructure renewal and security enhancement works at the State Data Center, the KEA website will not be operational from 9 p.m. on June 25th to 9 p.m. on June 26th. Okay, so they have given a time 9 p.m. of June 25th to 9 p.m. on June 26th, that is tomorrow, and basically from tonight to tomorrow. What you should be utilizing this day for making sure that you plan things a lot better. I do understand that you are going ahead with mock allotment and some of you might not be taking it very seriously, but I'll request you to take it very seriously itself. Okay, it's just that you have to make the actual list. Okay, after the mock allotment result, there will be very minute changes that you would have to do, if at all you make a proper list now itself, and it will give you a lot of clarity regarding things. So make sure you do that. And if at all you are someone who is facing this issue from this point onwards, it could also be related to the technical glitch that has taken place over here. So please not be worried about anything. As and when it opens, you can go ahead and do your option entry. Now if at all they are taking away one day of your time, probably they will be making sure that they give you a day's time as well, but that should not be making you go into relaxed mode. Also, one very important thing, so as of now I am trying to make a PPT on the entire counseling process. So I'm somewhere out there, most of it I've completed, but I just need to recheck all the information. So soon I will be making a video on the KCET 2027 counseling process. There are some changes out there, very important changes that everyone should know who is participating in the counseling. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting all the updates regarding that. And I hope this update gave you clarity on things. Do not be going into panicky mode. Okay? So wishing you the best, and please take care of yourself. Lots and lots of love from all of us. Bye-bye. And use this time to plan better. Bye.